Hey guys, today I'm making lamb kalya. Kalya is basically biryani without the rice. Start by marinating your meat. Wash, cut and add your meat into a bowl. Then add in your fresh garlic, ginger and garlic paste, ground fennel, coriander and cumin seeds, turmeric, masala, chili powder, food coloring, garam masala, grated tomatoes, mint, coriander, yogurt, and some salt. Phew, that was a lot of stuff. Use clean hands to mix everything together well. When you're done, cover the meat and allow it to marinate in the fridge overnight or for a minimum of 1 hour. If you're using potatoes, peel, cut and wash your potatoes, then add in your salt and some food coloring and mix the potatoes well till they are evenly coated in the color. Deep fry the potatoes till golden brown. Turn them occasionally to prevent them from burning and also to make sure that they color evenly. Remove it from the oil and set it aside till needed. When you're ready to braise your kalya, in a pot on high heat, add in your oil and your whole spices and allow it to fry for a few seconds. Then add in your onion and your butter. Break up the onion using a spoon and allow it to fry till golden brown, stirring occasionally to prevent it from burning. When the onions are brown, add in your marinated meat and any marinade left over in the bowl. Mix well and allow it to cook for about 30 minutes with the lid on. Make sure to add in water if necessary. After about 30 minutes, give it a mix and add in your potatoes and some water and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add in your cream, mix it well and allow it to cook till the potatoes are soft. When the potatoes are soft and the gravy is thickened, it's ready to serve. Serve it alongside some rice or roti or some homemade naan. Enjoy!